How to use the Draw feature in Canva. To begin, open up Canva and head over to the Editor side panel. Once there, locate the Draw tab and click on it. This will reveal all the drawing options that Canva has to offer. Selecting a drawing tool. Next, you will want to select the appropriate drawing tool according to your preference. Canva offers 4 options: pen, marker, highlighter, and eraser. Customizing your drawing tool. Now, let's customize our drawing tool to better suit our needs. To change the color, select the Color tile. You can either choose a color from your document's color palette, or pick a new color using the Rainbow tile. To adjust the thickness of the drawing tool, click on Drawing Settings. Here you can either select one of the preset thickness options or input your desired thickness manually. Additionally, Canva allows you to adjust the transparency and thickness by using the sliders. Drawing and erasing. With our drawing tool customized, it's time to unleash our creativity. To start drawing, ensure that you have selected the brush or pen option. Simply click and drag on your design canvas to begin your masterpiece. If you make a mistake or want to erase part of your drawing, fear not. Canva provides an eraser option specifically for this purpose. Select the eraser tool and click and drag over the areas you wish to remove. Applying the changes. Once you are happy with your drawing or erasing, don't forget to click the cursor to apply the changes. This will finalize your artwork and prevent any accidental modifications.